Good morning, students. In social science class of standard 9th, today I would like to teach you the second chapter, the outbreak of the revolution, and the topics. France become a constitutional monarchy. It is part second. Students, in first part, I have taught you that the members of third state demanded to limit the power of monarchs. The National Assembly completed the draft of the French Constitution in 1791. Its main object was to limit the power of monarchs. These powers, being concentrated in one hand, now were separated and assigned to different institutions like legislature, executive, and judiciary. This made France a constitutional monarchy. I would like to show you one figure. This figure explains how the new political system worked. It is judiciary, executive, legislature, active citizen, passive citizen. Students, who were active citizens? Not all citizens of France had a right to vote. Only the men above 25 years of age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days laborers' wages were given status of the active citizens. Now they were entitled to vote. Who were called passive citizens? The remaining men and entire women and children were classed as passive citizens and they had no voting rights. Students, to qualify as an electors and as a member of National Assembly, that man had to belong to the highest bracket of taxpayers. Next point is the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. It is the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. Many rights as right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before the law. These were natural rights to each and every citizen by birth. No ruler could snatch this, and it was the responsibility of states who protect all these natural rights to each and every citizens. Reading political symbol, very important. These are the political symbols. Majority of men and women in 18th century couldn't read and write. So, images and symbols were used to communicate the important ideas. Let's understand the broken chain. The broken chain. 1, 2, 3. Broken chain. Chains were used to fetter slave. A broken chain stands for act of becoming free. The bundle of rods or faces. Students, one rod can be broken easily, but entire bundle of rod cannot be broken. It means unities lie strength. The eye within a triangle radiating lights. The all-seeing eyes stands for knowledge. The eyes of sun will drive away the clouds of ignorance. Scepter, symbol of the royal power. A snake biting its tail to form a ring. This is a symbol of eternity. It is a ring has neither ending nor beginning. Next symbol, red Frisian cap. Cap worn by a slave upon becoming free. Blue, white, red. This was the national color of France. Winged woman means personification of law. Law tablet. The law is the same for all and all are equal before it. Now it is the time of home assignment. Home assignment. Question first. How did France become a constitutional monarchy? Second question. Differentiate between active and passive citizens. Third. When did National Assembly complete the draft of the Constitution of France? Fifth. What was the importance of political symbol? And fifth, last question. Write any 3 natural rights. Thanks and have a nice day.